Someone said, please teach us how to mix and master. Let's do it. Now, as you can see on my drum loops, I added nothing, which is fine like that. And the volume is set normal because that's how it's supposed to be. Then I add this bass sound called freak. On the effects, I added a distortion with soft on it. As you can see, this sound is here. It's called freak from keyboard right here. And this is the freak. Now on this one I added soft so that it can sound a little bit more present. This is it without a distortion. Now with a distortion, can you feel the difference? It's a little bit more louder and present with a distortion on. Now let's go to our log drum. As you can see, the volume is equal. It's loud. On this one I added the same thing, distortion. Now this is a log drum that I made from my other friend's PC, so I actually did it. Right here I added distortion with soft on it, just like on the freak bass, you know. Now this is it without distortion. It's fine, right? It's just fine. But now with a distortion on soft, it's crazy. That's dope. Now the volume is equal to all the sound. It's just the way I find it. Now on this one I added a reverb. This is a perk. I got it from Capture the Small Samples. I added a reverb. And I decreased the volume. As you can see right here, it's not louder, it's not the same as the other ones. And then this one right here I added nothing. This is the snare, is a snare that I found. I was looking for a military snare, but I didn't find, so I decided to choose this one. And then I decreased the volume too. Those two are like the same sounds but not equal when it comes to the volume. I decreased the volume. On the same side too, I added nothing. I added no effects at all. On this one too, is this one right here is the same sound. It's the same sound but on a different pattern. I copied the log drum and put it on one key on this snare. I put it on one key and I added nothing, no effects, nothing. On this one, these are like the same but different patterns. You see, this is like the same sound but different patterns. And I decreased the volume on this one because I didn't want it to be too loud. And on them effects I added nothing. So now right here is my organic. First I started with electric from keyboard, from instrumental keyboard. On this one I added delay and reverb. You know, I started with electric, as you can see right here. No, not this one. Keyboard electric. But I did not like it, so I decided to add an organ from GMS. Organic from GMS. It's down somewhere here. This one right here. Yes. And yeah, man, that's all. I added a reverb and mighty effects delay. And this one too is the same. It's the same thing but different pattern. It doesn't sound, it's the same but different, you know. I added same things too. Listen to it without a multi-effects delay and reverb. Kind of sound like it has them already, but now with them it's a little bit more better. It adds some little bit flavor, you know. Yeah. So now right here I decreased the volume and I did not add nothing. It's just, as you can see right here, I added right here too. I added nothing and I just decreased the volume. Now right here I added tap delay with an automation on it. As you can see right here, this is gonna move around to show you that this is an automation clip. You see, I'm not the one moving it, it's the one moving itself. So for the tutorial on how to make an automation clip, comment down below, and the first 10 people to comment down below will get free samples from me. Now without a tape delay. That's how it sounds without a tape delay. Now with a tape delay. And this is the last one. I added a low cut parametric EQ 200 and reverb and multi effects delay, and that's all of it. I did not add nothing. Now let me play the beat. This beat is the beat that I made long time ago. I already posted the tutorial, so go check it. Man, it's so much on it. Danko.